What's up guys, it's your boy Mark, and in this video I will be going over part 2 on how you can scale your $25 one-up business through email marketing. But before I do that, if you're new to this channel, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Also click that bell so you're the first to know once I upload a video on how to make some daily cash. Now, this is one of the capture pages that $25 one-up has provided for us that is converting, to sales. So I highly recommend that you use this particular capture page. And what we're gonna do in this video is show you how to use GetResponse, which is a email marketing tool that allows you to put your emails on autopilot. Video, there are multiple people who have, payment proofs with this company. This is a testimonial video that will allow people to click this, put in their information and put in their information for the presentation video that's on the other side so they can create them account and get started with you. So here is a few of the testimonials.
Super excited again. If you're serious and ready to change your life, take action today. Join the team, right, and start creating an extra income so that you can take your life to the next level.
Hey guys, Vinny here with PartnerWithVinny.com.
It's multiple people, guys. Look at that, $19,000.
Before this program, I had a problem with my team duplicating my success. But ever since I joined the $25 one-up program, that has all changed. This is a completely done-for-you system that any newbie or experienced marketer can get into and make money on a daily basis. Since I've been in the program now, I've been making consistent.
Look at that, daily commissions, guys. Look at that. So I'm not gonna go through the whole video, but I just want to show y'all exactly what this page can do. It shows the proof of people actually making money with it. So now let's head over to GetResponse, and I'm gonna show y'all exactly how to do everything. So let's head over to GetResponse. If you don't have a GetResponse account, the information will be below. The link will be below. It's free for 30 days, so you have 30 days to scale your business for free. After that, you could choose a payment plan that you want to use. You have one less than 20 bucks. You can get started with that one. But you could make money with this system as well by sharing this with other people. But we're just focusing on using this for our online businesses. But once you get good with marketing your businesses online with this tool, you can also promote this tool to other people and get paid as well, on top of $25 one-up or any other business that you may have. So first thing you want to do is come up to list. You want to go up to list. You want to create a list. Now we're going to keep our list transparent with the business. So we're going to go with $25 one-up. I already have a $25 one-up, so I'm going to just put $25 1D up. And let's see, this already exists, so I'm going to put 1996, that's the year I was born. So boom, we have us a list created. You can create your list with any name that you choose. Make sure it's just transparent with the business so it's easy to know where your leads are going and where your emails are sending from. And I'm gonna show you everything you need to know. So once you come over here, guys, you're just gonna click these 3 buttons over here, go to settings. Now, when you come to your settings, under the list name, there will be a token ID. Now, you copy the token ID, do not get the comma, but once you just copy this, you're gonna head back over to your back office. You're gonna come down, guys, to contacts, and you're gonna go to autoresponder. Now, once you go to your autoresponder, you're gonna click set up third-party autoresponder, and it allows you to go with $25 one-up or Aweber. Now, I made a video already on my channel on how to connect your Aweber, but I like GetResponse way better because it allows you to set up different, things inside the email. Whether if somebody clicked your link, you can send them to a whole nother link type of page that you want them to go to. If they did not click the link or open it, maybe you could send a different email to get their attention. It just allows you to do more things inside of the emails, and I'm gonna show you how to do that as well. So go ahead and go to get response, and you're gonna put in that token that we copied from here. We copied this token and this token ID, and we're gonna put it here. So we're gonna put it in here and we're gonna save it. So now, let's see. And now we're gonna, and so now once people go through one of these capture pages that you have, this capture page that you have, those people will go directly to your list, and then now you can set up an email autoresponder on autopilot that can send out these messages while you're doing whatever it is that you like to do. Maybe you work a 9-to-5 job and you want to make some money on the side. This can bring in that money through email marketing, or maybe you want to quit your job and do this full time, and this would allow you to make more money while you're enjoying the income that you have coming in, while you're on vacation, while you are, you know, with your family, whatever. Emails are still being sent out. Your product is still being sold through email marketing. This is how all big businesses work. They use, every time you go into a store, any type of retail store, is ask for your email. So, because they know people will not always buy on that first go. It takes a repetition for somebody to, you know, go ahead and buy. They might have to see your product 6, 7, 8 times before they buy it. And I'm gonna show you how to set up at least a 10 to 30 day email marketing autoresponder messages, autoresponder workflow, and it allows you to, you know, do that way. So once they put in that information here, they just put it in here to test it out, and let's see what it does. So it'll bring them to this presentation video. Now let's go back to our email responder. Maybe sometimes you have to refresh it, and boom, lead right here. That's me that I just created. Now this will allow you to send out emails on autopilot. Soon as they put in their information, you can create a workflow that will allow them to, you know, open your emails. You can send out YouTube videos. You can send out more pages that $25 1UP has created for you. You can send out more, you know, just value inside those emails that will allow you to generate that lead into a sale. So that's part 2 on how to connect your Get Response to your $25 1UP business. On the next video, I will be going over how you can create you a workflow, how to put those messages on autopilot, how to take the $25 1UP, copy and paste, you know, email swipes, put them into Get Response, and once you do this, you can sit back, relax, drive traffic to your capture pages, and let your email do all the work. So guys, if you like this content, make sure you go ahead and subscribe. Also click that bell so you'll be the first to know once I upload a video on how to make some daily cash. So if you're new to my channel, make sure you go ahead and like and subscribe, and click that bell. Comment below if you have any concerns. Email me. Other than that, I'm out.